Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Sagittarius. For your general energies, career situation, and relationship, we are picking these cards. So, these are for your general energies, Sagittarius. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation. If you like this reading and if it resonates, Sagittarius, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy. So if you want more clarity, you can watch that reading. And Sagittarius, if you are interested in a personal reading, I have a good friend of mine doing personal reading in Fever, so you can contact her. So let's start the reading with these cards for your general energies first. So today we have Two of Pentacles in reverse, Six of Wands, and Magician in reverse. So today in your circumstances, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, you are happy about something. There is some kind of celebration, that happiness, sense of achievement. Maybe you have done something right. You are tasting success in some projects, or some it may be work related success, or it may be happiness in this relationship. You are happy to be with this person, happy for the way things are going in this relationship, and you feel really confident, cheerful, inspired when you are with them. Happy about your the way you are in this relationship, the way you are loving, caring, and understanding. And you both may have a beautiful relationship flowering in this connection. Love blooming, romance blooming. So there is mutual understanding, love, respect, and caring. And maybe you should not feel that it is your work being harmonious, being really friendly, loving in this relationship. Relationship is a work of two people. So maybe you must understand that this is also the role this person plays in this connection. That is the reason for your happiness and cheerfulness. So you should not forget this person, and you should not feel that you are the only one doing things rightly. So you should not be overconfident. That will make it wrong. So you must see your role and see also this person's role in this relationship. And Sagittarius, maybe for some of you, you are having some illness, something minor, something worrying you today. It may be something small, but it is taking your attention, and you are not able to do your work today. And maybe this person you love, they are taking care of you, they are helping you out today. And this person also has something important to tell you. Maybe they are sending you a message, or they have some important news to tell you. It may be regarding some achievements they made in their work, or it may be some future plans they have. So they are sending you a message or an email, maybe today, regarding what they are planning for future for both of you. So we will see what is the card for your relationship first. It's Eight of Swords in reverse. So in this connection, maybe something unexpected is happening. It may be something good for most of you. So, but for some of you, it may be something bad, Sagittarius. So something unexpected. It may be an unexpected plan that is unfolding today in your life, Sagittarius. So, for your career situation, we will see what is the card. It's Ace of Pentacles. So things are going in a very positive way. You may see lot of lucrative opportunities or offers coming in your career situation. So that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the pick a card that is coming up right now, Sagittarius. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's see what is the first card. I will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this first card, we have fairies, words. So words are the most powerful things, guys. We all know that. So with this card, the energy is that maybe you should watch your thoughts within your head and change them and to speak the words of beauty. So this does not mean that you have to flatter someone or give into falsehoods. It is the energy here is to find the beauty within yourself, find the beauty in the people and the world around you, in every situation, and speak with this beauty and from this beauty within you. To do this, you must change the ugliness or the distortions you have in your mind, the ugly thoughts, whatever it is, that poisonous from within. So we must give up all those toxic thoughts we have. So there is work to be done at a deeper level in your mind. So when you have worked your mind, your consciousness, the words that fall from your lips, it will be like jewels falling from the lips of this princess here. So it is that external evidence of your inner beauty. So you need to work at the deeper level first. Give up all the toxic thoughts you have and find that beauty within yourself. That beauty is going to come out in the words you speak. So you need to do that work, and you have that beauty in you to offer this world. So just like rain falls from the clouds, something beautiful will come out of you if you have that inner beauty. And also, good deeds are always rewarded. So no matter what you do, maybe it may be something small or something big, whatever it is, when you do something good, it comes back to you definitely. And there is someone in your circumstance who needs your help, and you are a very kind and compassionate person. You are thinking of helping this person, maybe for some of you. And imitating someone is not the way for success. Being like someone else is not going to take you anywhere. All you need to do is change yourself from deep within, give up all the negativity you have, and embrace your beauty within yourself. That is going to change you, that is going to change your circumstance and the world around you. So that is the energy here with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading. So I will keep this card aside. So we will see what is the second card. Sorry guys. Poised. So With this card, it just means that you are confident about yourself today, confident about your skills and talents, confident about the way you are today. You are ready. You have come to this place. You are wise, knowledgeable, and you have a feeling that something new or some new phase of your life is beginning, and people respond to your confidence and they trust you, and this may also be the auspicious time for you to begin something new. So in your relationship also, if you're confident and happy in your own skin, you're ready for a deeper and more intimate relationship, and there is nothing to prove right now. You are completely yourself and you can handle anything. Love, friendship, or all those new connections that are coming right now towards you. You are ready to receive love and give love from your heart. And this is a very beautiful place to be. So you have that balance and that harmonious outlook on life, confidence that is going to help you to face any circumstance today in this relationship, to be that person you want to be. You are at the best right now. That is what this card is about, and there is something new coming in your life today. So that is the energy with this card. So that is the reading with these cards, guys. I hope you like this reading. If you like this reading and it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.